Welcome back to online class. Today I will explain Roman numerals. Before starting Roman numerals, let's understand what is Hindu Arabic numerals. In our number system we use 10 digits 0 to 9 to represent all the numbers. People in ancient India developed these numbers, clear, and Arabs spread them to other countries. That is why it is known as Hindu Arabic numbers or international numbers. Roman used only 7 symbols to represent the numbers, clear, and in Roman numerals there is no symbol for 0. So see here, Roman symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Clear? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Total 7 symbols. So, what are the values? I 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. Clear? So value of I 1, value of V 5, value of X 10, value of L 50, value of C 100, value of D 500, value of M 1000. So only using these symbols Roman make all the numbers. Clear? Now there is no symbol for 0. You have to remember it. But there is a terms and condition how to write the Roman numerals. Students see, V, L and D are never repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. Clear? If you see anywhere, then it is wrong. Clear? Wrong. And I, X, C, M. I, X, C, M can be repeated. Can be repeated. But how many times? 3 times. Not more than 3 times. See, I. How many times we can repeat I, X, C, M? Only 3 times. Clear? See, X, X, X. C, C, C. M, M, M. If you repeat I 4 times, then it is wrong. This is correct. Clear? See, this is wrong. This is wrong. So, what symbol we can repeat? We can repeat I, X, C, M. How many times? Only 3 times. Clear? And we cannot repeat V, L and D. Clear? When we write the smaller numeral to the left side of the greater numeral, then what we do? We subtract the smaller numeral from the greater numeral. See here, I, V. What is the value of V? 5. What is the value of I? 1. Clear? So what we do? 5 minus 1. Listen once again. When we write the smaller numeral, Roman numeral to the left hand side of the greater Roman numeral, then we subtract the smaller Roman numeral from the greater Roman numeral. Value of v is 5, value of I is 1. So what we do? We subtract I from v. Clear? 5 minus 1. So what is the value of IV? 4. Clear? Next, I x. So value of x is what? 10. Value of x is what? 10. Value of I is what? 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. Clear? So when we write the smaller Roman numeral to the left hand side, clear? This is right hand side, this is left hand side. When we write the smaller Roman numeral to the left hand side of the greater Roman numeral, we subtract the smaller Roman numeral from the greater Roman numeral. Clear? See, 5 IV, 5 minus 1, 4. Ix, 10 minus 1, 9. Clear? Okay. Next, when we write smaller Roman numeral to the right side of the greater numeral, then what we do? We add the value, clear, of the smaller Roman numeral to the greater Roman numeral. Value of v is what? 5. Clear? So what we do? We add 1 in 5. We get value 6. Clear? See, 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Clear? See here, value of v is 5, value of I is 1, value of I is 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So value of vi is what? 7. So when we add smaller Roman numeral to the right, when we write the smaller Roman numeral to the right side of the greater Roman numerals, then we add the value of the smaller Roman numeral to the greater Roman numeral. Clear? But when we write the smaller Roman numeral to the left hand side, then we subtract. This is the condition. When we write the smaller to the left hand side, then we subtract. But when we write the smaller Roman numeral to the right hand side of the greater Roman numeral, then we add. Clear? And see, we can repeat I, X, C, M only. We cannot repeat V, L and D. Clear? And how many times we can repeat? We can repeat 3 times. See, here I have repeated I 2 times. Clear? I. Now what is the value? What we do? We add 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the value? 3. Clear? Let's solve some examples. Xi. What is the value of x? 10. What is the value of I? 1. Smaller Roman numeral is written right side to the greater Roman numeral. So what we do? We add. Clear? Value of x 10. Clear? Value of I 1. 10 plus 1 11. Clear? Value of x 10. And what I have said, that we can repeat I, X, C, M. And how many times? Only 3 times. Clear? So here x is written 3 times. So what we do? We add. Clear? 10 plus 10 plus 10. Clear? 30. So value of 3 times x is what? 30. Clear? See, I was written to the right side of the x. Clear? So what we do? We add. Clear? 10 plus 1, 11. Now here 3 times x. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now v 3 times I. Clear? We can repeat I, X, C, M. Clear? Remember it. So here I is repeated 3 times. What is the value of V? Value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. Clear? 5, and I is written to the right side of the V. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Value of V I is 8. Clear? Next, x I x. Clear? So value of x is what? 10. Clear? Plus 10. Next, plus, see here, I is written to the left side of the x. So what we do? We subtract 10 minus 1. Value of I is 1, and I is written left side of the x. Clear? So what we do? We subtract. So 10 plus 10, 20, and see, 10 minus 1, 9. Clear? 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Clear? So value of x ix is what? 29. XL. Clear? XL. X is smaller Roman numeral, L is greater, and x is written to the left hand side. So what we do? We subtract 50 minus 10. Clear? 40. Fifty minus 10 is equal to 40. Clear? So in this way we find out the value. Clear? You have to learn the value of all the symbols, because directly it can be asked. Value of L, value of C, value of D, value of M. Clear? First question of exercise 1F. Clear? Roman numeral, match the following. You have to do it in your book. Clear? But how? See here, student, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD, so that you mark the numbers, you write the numbers instead of drawing the lines. Clear? See here, 9, 15, 12, 28, 20, 18, 35, 27. We have to match it. So how we match it? First we write the value of these Roman numerals. Clear? What is the value? See here, x v. Clear? So 10, value of x is 10. See, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10, 10, 20, 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Clear? X V I. 10 plus 5 plus 8 10, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. Clear? 10 plus 10, 20. Why I am doing this? So that we can easily match. Clear? And you can do directly also. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 26 plus 1, 27. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 plus 5, 15. Clear? 10 plus 12. 10 plus 10 plus 5, 10, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28. Clear? Now we match it. 9. See? 9. First one is 9. So E1. Clear? Next 15. 2F. Clear? 12. 3G. 28. 4H. Clear? 20. 5C. 6, 18. Now where is 18? 6. 7, 35. 7, 35. 8, 27. See how easy it is. Very easy. So, why I have done? To make the match the following easy. Clear? And you can do directly also. Clear? If you can do the calculation in your mind, you can do directly. You can directly match it. And you have to do it in your book only. Clear? See, 9 E. Clear? 1 E. 15 2. See here. F. 3 12. See here G. 12. Clear? So I have done the numbering. Clear? Next, write the Hindu Arabic numbers for the following. So A, see here, X, X, I, X. Clear? What I have said that we cannot repeat X more than 3 times. Clear? Here 3 times it is written. Now IX, when smaller numeral is written to the left hand side of the greater numeral, so what we do? We subtract. So what is the value? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus IX. See here, 10 minus 1, 9. Clear? 10 minus 1, 9. So the students here, add it. 10, 10, 20, 10, 30 plus 9, 39. Clear? Now 10 3 times X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. What is the value? 30. Clear? Now X VI. What is the value of X? 10. Clear? Value of V 5. What is the value of I? 1. I is written to the right hand side of the V. So what we do? We add. If the smaller numeral is written to the right side of the greater numeral, we add. Clear? So Vi is written to the right side of the x. Clear? 10 plus 5 plus 1. So what is the value? 16. Clear? See, 10 xxi. 10 plus 10 plus 1. 21. Clear? So I have explained and I have solved it. Clear? So what you can do in your book, you can write directly. Clear? In your copy, if you will do all in detail. Clear? So when question is asked to write in Hindu Arabic numerals, so we write in numbers. Clear? When Hindu Arabic numeral is given and it is asked to write in Roman numerals, then we write in Roman numerals. Clear? Means if number is given and we have to write in Roman numerals, we will write in this format. Clear? Which of the following are wrong? Clear? Which of the following are wrong? What we have to do? We have to mark cross. Clear? See. VV. Student, in starting only I have explained that we cannot repeat V. Clear? Which Roman symbols we cannot repeat? V, L and D. We cannot repeat. Clear? So here 2 times V is written. So it is wrong. 3. I. 3 times I. I we can repeat. How many times? 3 times. So it is correct. Vi. Yes, it is correct. Clear? What is the value of Vi? 5 plus 1, 6. Again see, X we can repeat, but we cannot repeat. And here V is repeated 2 times. So it is wrong. Vx. Clear? Here it is written Vx. Vx is wrong. Clear, student? I can be subtracted from V and X once only. Clear? And X can be subtracted from L and C once only. Clear? C can be subtracted from D and M once only. So here V is subtracted from X, so it is wrong. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks using sign greater than, less than or equal to. Clear? A. IV and X is written. So what is the value of IV? See, 5 minus 1. I is written to the left hand side of V. So 5 minus 1, 4. And what is the value of X? 10. Which one is greater? See, X is greater. Clear? X, V, I and 3 times X. So 10, 5, 15, 1, 16. Clear? See, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. Which one is greater? 30 is greater. Clear? Xi, 10 plus 1, 11. And Vi, 5 plus 1, 6. 11, 6. So which one is greater? See, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Clear? 10 plus 2, 12. 7, 12. Clear? See, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So which one is greater? 12 is greater. Now, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 13. Clear? 13. This is also 13. So what we do? We put equal to sign. So first you check the value and then you put the symbol greater than, less than, equal to. See, IV 5 minus 1 4. When we write the smaller numeral to the left hand side, what we do? We subtract the smaller numeral from the greater numeral. 5 minus 1 4. Value of x is 10. 10 is greater than 4. Clear? XVI. VI is written to the right side. What we do? We add. Clear? 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 1 16. Clear? Here 10 we can repeat x 3 times. I have explained. Clear? So 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30. So which one is greater? 30 is greater. Clear? I is written to the right hand side. So 10 plus 1 11. Here I is written to the right hand side of the V. So 5 plus 1 6. 11 is greater. Clear? 5 plus 1 6. 1 7. Here 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 1 12. Which one is greater? 12 is greater. Clear? 12 is greater than 7. Here both side 13. See, 10 plus 1 11 plus 1 12 plus 1 13. 10 plus 1 11 plus 12 plus 1 13. Both side 13. So we put equal to sign. Next, add the following. Add the following and write the answer in Hindu Arabic numerals. So A, V plus V. Clear? What is the value of V? 5. What is the value of V? 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. Clear? Value of V? 5. See? 5 plus 5, 10. And correct symbol for 10 is X. Clear? Now see, I. What is the value of 3 times I? 3. Clear? Value of X? 10. 10 plus 3, 13. And correct symbol, see, X 3 times I. Value of X is 10. Value of V is 5. Clear? 10 plus 5, 15. So correct symbol is, see, XV. Value of I is 2. Clear? And see, XX 20. So sum is 22. And correct symbol is XX, see, 22. So this is the correct way to write the symbol. Clear? Here Roman symbols are written, and what we have to do? We have to add and write the answer in Hindu Arabic numerals. I have written this also so that you can easily understand that what is the correct Roman symbol for the particular sum. Clear? Value of V 5, value of V 5, 5 plus 5 10, and X is the symbol for 10. Clear? See, I 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 10 13. Clear? Value of X is 10, value of V is 5 15. Clear? I plus XX. I 1 plus 1 2, 10 plus 10 20, 22. So student, now recap. There are total 7 symbols. There is no symbol for 0. Clear? And we can repeat I, X, C, M. We cannot repeat, and we can repeat I, X, C, M only 3 times. Clear? We cannot repeat V, L and D. Clear? So this you have to remember. So this part is completed. Thank you. Clear?